My name is Jonas Borg. I'm here in Berlin to shoot some high-speed photography. And to really capture the speed, I use 4K Photo. The 4K Photo is an amazing technology that lets you capture those really otherwise hard to catch moments. This camera has 3 4K photo modes. They're very easily accessible with one button. It has the 4K burst, the start and stop, and the 4K pre-burst. 4K Photo is that you film in really high speed, 30 frames a second. To record your 4K video, press the shutter button to start recording and press it again to stop. And this technology helps you to not only have a video file, but you can extract single frames from the entire sequence. And thanks to 30 frames in 1 second, it's so easy to go into the menu, choose which frame is the best for you and save it as a high resolution JPEG.